Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Book your way, you're here. Today we'll be making a homemade lemon body scrub. So this is all the ingredients we need to make the body scrub. I've got sugar, lemon juice, olive oil, and pure honey. Let's get right into this lemon body scrub. So to make your lemon body scrub, you need a bowl just like this to mix all your ingredients together. So firstly, we're going to pour our sugar. I will list all the measurements in the description box below. Need to pour in our sugar. After that, we'll pour in our olive oil. And then our lemon juice, followed by our natural honey. After stirring everything together, you need a clear jar to store your body scrub. And guys, please make sure you sanitize all your equipment. Make sure you wash them with warm water and sanitize them with alcohol. So now we're going to store our mixture in a clean sanitized container. You can apply this on your skin 2 times a week, and after applying this mixture on your skin, leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off. After that, apply your moisturizer. For a clear and soft skin, apply this 2 times a week. And this brings it to the end of DIY video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and also remember to press the notification bell, so anytime I have video uploaded, you will be the first person to know. If you try this recipe, do let me know. Leave it in the comment section. Till I come your way again, bye guys.